sijja kwogera myaka gyange mutandike okunnemesa babba bange ate bamanyi nti ndi kito.
Baba? You have more than one Baba?
Baba aspiring. Kubanga ono aliwo ayinza okwokya ng'ate oli mwamubuusa nti akaze kakulu ako kabi bale ndi kito. I am sweeter. Yeah, that's bagamba. You age like what?
Wine.
Fine wine. So kati ategedde kubira Yesu mungalo. Hey, what's up? Very good.
Tuli mu mood ya Samabe.
Yeah. Wadde budde bunyongoga. Naye tuli mu mood ya Samabe. Video etufulumye leero ku saa 6 kasubire. You guys have already checked it out. Yes, it's Konshens and Azawi Mpooma Caribbean vibes. It's an amazing video. Marvin Msoke yaji shooting us Swans Avenue. Yeah,
let's talk about video. You feeling mukoze audio with Konshens? It was an exchange of data.
Yeah. Because twali really in a different space. Sindala. So actually initially we wanted to do a remix for 10 over 10. Would have been nice, you know. But nagamba maika tukole a brand new project, something people haven't like heard of. Nemusindikira beat ya Samabe, Banger Boy, the best producer we have around town right now. Yena kuba beat yo, nentekako like the vocals. Nemusindikira naina baby. We came back and we arranged the song, and yeah, Samabe na from my watch.
Okay. Then him dropping mu Uganda ngaze okola some different things. Kino mwali mu planning ko was it a plus mukulaba nti at this time agana perform mu Uganda?
Gwenze kireka nze ndiko haba manyi yanaza kyogero ki simanyi nzokola nani nkoze budget ngeri over nga like ndoza mitwalo 2
ya dola.
Yeah, ngina kufuluma wano ngine nonye Konshens jali abira Miami to shooting a video.
Abira Miami in the US?
Yeah, that's where he stays. Naye daba bwangamba, hold on, there's a possibility that I might come in Uganda. Nangamba, I don't know the dates yet, but let's just keep, fingers crossed. Tuba tulyanga Konshens akozeki. To say we wanted like to fly to Tanzania. Tanzania is very tropical, and maybe a little bit of Kenya.
With it being on the coast.
Yeah, on the coast, in the ocean. So we wanted to go that side, but then time teyali mala because yali akwasaganya ebintu bingi in a short period. So we had to only find spaces here. We were shooting that video yo kudungu awo ne Munyonyo Speak Resort. Yeah, and shooting a video, he was very, very nice. He was very fluid and ngali smooth. Ngamugamba kino kyekiddako nakikola kino kyogenda okwambala yetetekawo mbeera. Like he was very professional, very kind. Like I haven't met such a big star ngali that humble. And respect to you, Konshens, wherever you are. Like I'll forever be grateful for whatever you did for me.
Everyone was yalaroza and this him ngamazo performing wali ogena mufuna exclusive ngabwe, but later on we realize nti abayimbi abalabo naye abawa moli no your exclusivity yali escoping it.
No, it's not something we even agreed on. Sije twakanya ko singa twatulanga ne mugamba manyi, let's sit down, sign a contract tulina kola na muyimbi mulala, which would have been so selfish, because why would I even do that? So I was just happy that he called. Actually, I called a bonton. Yeah, singa about the stage. So like there's absolutely no problem with it. Like collaborating with different people, is a very good thing. For as long as the vibration why not?
The Mabe comes from your album Sakofa. They were releasing that late last year. Is it the first off video you work a cola?
For the album? No. Nata Omwenge, Nenta Outside, I think this is gonna be the third one. Yeah.
How special is this song, Summer Babe, on that album?
Of course, I wanted to try out something that like would get me like a bigger reach, and also like a concept like majority of people could relate with. People more so from the outside, being that I had collaborated with an international artist, and for them, summer means everything to them. Summer means, family time, vacation time, taking a break and, having some leisure and, living life. So I wanted that kind of, texture in my music, and collaborating with somebody like Conscience, but so much about partying, enjoying life, summertime. So it was just a vibe, I would say. Yeah, the vibration. Mm.
Well, try to manage for the first time, try to get a club and performing a cover video.
I know, I know.
But tutuuka ku Kivulu somehow n'abanga akuyita but nga toli water.
Like, gutomanyi nange kyansumbuwamuko, but like I almost cancelled that show that I had in Lira. Was it Lira, Kitugum? Yeah, yali Kitugum. Naye ng'olwedde abasajja badde bansasudde ssente nnyingi ate nga ne bafaanibanga abeeyo mbaagala nnyo, I wouldn't have done such a thing. Era nagamba kuba we even tried like to find ways of getting like a chartered plane katwaleyo, naye amateeka nga gagamba nti you cannot travel domestically at night unless nga it's an emergency, and which kind of emergency can take you from Kampala to Kitugum. Like if it was the other way around, it would have made sense kubanga you want wali best services, healthcare, whatever. So nga tetusobola, so nekizibuwalamuko like I wanted, and of course some people were like, you would have cancelled that show, like that moment was one in a lifetime, but it is what it is.
Okay. But people like Konshens, we know them of doing festivals. Bakubanyo festivals.
Yeah.
Jamaica is full of festivals. Miami Jali is full of festivals. Does this song collaborate with Konshens bring you closer to
Yeah.
such events?
Yeah, we were actually talking ngagamba agenda kola tour, and once he has everything together with his team, never promoter, like he would love to bring me on board. So like it's big when you collaborate with a big artist like that. You have to take advantage of such opportunities when they arise. So anytime Waba Jump is on a tour, like Wabag is on a tour, like Changunyo to jump on it because we have a song together, Nangi Nefunake exposure. So we didn't just do the collabo ebira for like we want to take it further and further and further. Trabeje chinagwera mkama wabanga kozechi. Ayagadde.
Okay. We're looking at this albums akofa kozi olimba kweruva. Many people do nyimba ku albums ne bakolako videos internet neziva unnatural deaths kalamu audio. And we are into a new year. What are your plans? Are we seeing an immediate album, Chivulu, or are you still shooting the videos?
So far now, what's on the plan on the agenda? We now call Ayo Deluxe, of course, like a continuation to Sankofa, the album, and I might release a single very soon from off the deluxe. Of course, I'm planning to do also remixes from the album. Yeah, Sankofa. So, and I'm gonna be traveling a lot, like to try to affiliate my brand with different artists and different creators. So it's just like trying to make things bigger, broaden my career and my brand and my artistry. So it's big plans 2024. We are taking over again, of course. Yeah.
When you talk about Deluxe, even the album you also you did a Deluxe for it, and you had so many people jumping on the Deluxe you were calling.
Yeah.
Is it the same?
Yeah. It's the same thing that we're gonna do. Like kigenda kubeera rare ndowooza nze okera ku makya mmaleko omwaka nga ntadde buta sisingem like because I create a lot at creating that speed mine, so and we don't want wako yasigale bafiire mu studio afadhali omuteeka mu bantu ne bamuwuliriza more songs cities at least n'ozijjayo mu streams because for me right now DJ asobola okuba set yange for 2 hours non-stop, and it's not just music, like it's good music. Bwakwambusa bwakkiriza bwakutwala mutembo bwakutwalako mu reggae, like it's the essence of having an album that you have longer times on stage. You can bargain even more. Your credibility as an artist nayo yekolaki ekula. So now for me nze wembeera nkedde like to like obaba kitabatya to like ekigambo nkirabidde. For example, if I want to go and perform for at a festival, bajasooka kubuuza tulageeko kuki catalyst, catalog yo already I have 2 albums. Actually it's 3 albums, the EP and these 2 albums. So like kyangu bamanya tokkolo artist akoze ki ayimiridde, how did this album do, how did this one do, what is the sound on this album, what is this album artist trying to note ebintu ebyanguwa. Those are the conversations that make it so easy for you to be lined up on festivals. They will wrote a single zikati kyangu nnyo gena ku show omune mugamanyi nzo gena kumpa millions za 8 kubanga ku stage okwo gena birako esaawa ki namba ate nga nkuba CD kitegeera nga nkuba CD lulimba ku luyimba kubanga nte CD ojulimba luggwa mangu. Kati imagine obeera ku CD for an hour kitegeera. I've just been 5 years in the industry and I can be on stage for that long. So nze nkyenyumirizaamu ekya album this I don't like singles.
The deluxe having most of the from Nigerian side, Maliko, DJ,
Neptune, Chike, yeah.
And this time round, which country are we going to with this deluxe?
Yeah, I want to go. Of course, it's still West Africa, but my eyes are on Ghana right now. Njagala ngendeke Ghana eyo. So kembereyo ko ndabe wagwan kitegeera. Of course, most of the big stars abakikubye on like a continental global level, like omusingi bagusimibwa Ghana. Like you start from Ghana, then you spread into Nigeria, then to the UK, then to the rest of the world. So I want to go and see how things are done there. Abayimbi beyo, ba creators beyo, media, ebintu ebyenjawulo. And of course, Swangs also has been like trying to expand in different spaces. Of course, now there's Swangs Ghana. So like, yeah, so like those are the things, those are the spaces that we're taking advantage of. I don't know if anybody know Bioga, I'm in Western City Killer. Nainga, yeah.
But we know we've seen archers on building stages in Ghana.
Yeah.
Performing as
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was these kids. To be mine.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Are we right to say Azawi, you Uganda's expert when it comes to music?
I don't know if those are names. Like I can't. This is all I dig on.
When we look at the sound you make and the lyrics, that flow.
Nze nkuba bukobi. Nze zijja kulimba. Nje nkuba bukobi. Vibe weba weri. Nze nkuba bukobi. Nina nakayimba kakadongo. But it's not a song that I can release now with the way that I've branded myself. But kabera mom, when if naya akagara, ngoma yiyo ebintu byamu etula mu ngoma kitegeera. So nze nkuba bukobi wonna wempise, but of course ndi deliberate with the sound that I release as an artist. Kati mulimu kale ebintu ebinga sola be releasing naye bwangu gamba limbo lungi ninga sola dota kuba mba nva kuki komulamo.
Have we got artists, leave alone the Afrobeat artists that from Nigeria, Ghana, where we want to go, but other countries booking you or trying coming in to do music with them?
Yeah, we like so many countries have tried like to book me What we said, Fiji, they wanted like to book me, yeah. But man, Swangs and Sarah. Swangs ekolachi. Swangs ebe yagala sente. What when I sent? Rwanda's tried to book me. Kenya's tried to book me. Which other country? Is it Zambia? Zambia, they've tried. Nenga sente. Zibantono Segura. But the best I can do is to collaborate with people from that side, so that my audience connecting and you by enjoying that kind of channel. But I hope in the future bwanabanga sente zeyongedde nga n'endongo yeyongedde okugumira kusingako wano, maybe oli ajja kutalaafi yagamanyi Azawi katumuwa emitwalo gye gyayagala ajja tukuba endongo ekijja kijje.
With the shortest period you've been in the Ugandan industry, YouTube, yeah, on board for your case.
Yeah.
Then I saw you performing with the legendaries, that's a Red Sun. Attending Kulaba, there's performing Cool Trace.
Yeah.
Performing a Uganda Trace back to Uganda. With this like very fast, what does it come with, or what does it mean as Azawi?
Nti endongo tekoma just mwana yakaise kadongo nti akadongo tekakoma kukuyimba. Akadongo kaliko ebintu bingi nnyo. Akadongo kalimu okusula ng'otuno. So also you have to be very hard working, and nga kale waliwo time wenotuuka ng'olina okireka obwa sitaabo ng'olina obweyambula okakkane okole omulimu gwo, because there are times ng'obanga ennyonyi ekulese ng'olina okulinnya kaki, obudde bugenze olina okulinnya ka booda kakuyise mu jaamu oyo kitegira mangu. Yeah, nze mbeera siva ku booda. Actually abantu abamu tebamanyi nti mbayita namu incognito. Nze manyi okwekweka bulungi nnyo notantegeera nakuntegeera nti nkuyiseeko. So like si just kuyimba, bintu bingi ebijja, si just for the men, si just bakyala nti bojja ofuna oba ssente. Ebintu bingi olina okubanga mentally oli prepared. Of course waliwo time ojja otuuka nga people don't believe that you can do certain thing, but ate nga gwe wekka omuntu yekka gwe alina okwekirizaamu, even nga ne ttiimu yegamba wano anaayitawo waneeno, naye nga gwe alina okusooka okwekirizaamu so that n'abantu abala bakumanya nti omwana teyajja kuzanya. So it's a lot. It's energy, devotion, mental drainage. Sometimes obeera drained mentally. Kati eyo period nange yankoyamu, but ate nga nina okusigala nga nkola okitegeera. So bw'oba omunaafu endongo si bya just kuyimba, bintu bingi.
I had friends of yours whenever workmates bakuyita night
owl,
like you sleep in the studio.
Yeah. I like working in the night because it's quiet. N'abankubira amasimu ekiro bakolaki bakendeera, so I'm able to concentrate nenkola. Oba n'ogamba leero katukole kalama n'ova mu studio ng'okoze track 2 oba 3, naye tosobola kikola misana, ojja kuba okyakola wabeere wakonkona. Olaba Azawi Darius ayagala kino, Azawi kati mumutuuse okitegeera. Kati imagine adde booking the session okitegeera. So but when you work in the night nga noise studio, it's very very much easier.
You the Azawi we saw Kenzo ngakola 10 years Eddie Kenzo, and the Azawi we see right now, but that time yeah 10 years of Eddie Kenzo going to stage your backing the feel right now John, no one who could recognize into your Azawi at stage.
Margaret, I was on that stage that day for what Edinenga butufu nga ne bw'ojja n'osimbawo ssente zo n'oŋŋamba nti Azawi, you're gonna beat this in probably 5 years. Wallahi nga bwe bampa emmundu awo nkutte, wallahi nkukuba essasi nga nkukuba n'ofa ne kugamba mukwano toddamu kunsinikirako mannyo. That's all I can say.
With the Azawi sing now.
Yeah, so it has been a miracle. Like, kibula bagamba nga tonafa tewevumansi. Like, you don't know what God has planned for you ahead. Kati myaka etaano kale tuvudde just n'okuba nti kale ndongo ngibadde mu myaka etaano, but the way the industry sees me, the way the respect people give to me, and like, man, bano abantu singa bakimanyi nti nze bino bintu nali sibisuubira nakubisa. Sometimes it's too much, it's too overwhelming, but at the end of the day just nebaza Katonda kuba nti anfudde wa mukisa, ataddeko ne favour ye okubanga mu bbanga ettono lino eno anyimusizza bw'ati, nange ntudde n'abalangira n'abambejja. Mwebaza ne ttiimu yange ne bafanzi bange na buli omu mu famire yange abansobozezza kutambula n'olugendo nawe.
Did you write any songs ng'oli ne Eddie Kenzo nga Kenzo yaziyimba?
I wouldn't say I completely wrote, but I co-wrote. Like, there was one song naye kati yakata nakata. Like, I didn't do it, but endala nambakinga, like, this song Bibao. Just yeah, that one I sang that first clip. Yeah, so educators tubadde, like, it's not like we are very into Sulana ye, but we've had like our encounters. Like, maybe there's some magic that is gonna happen. Like, tubadde tukwatagana one way or the other. Era wali cool share fig. Bana sang na Martin namugwakao ne twebuuza, yeah, because I'm closer to Martin better than I am to Eddie Kenzo. Yeah, so overall Martin better musajja mukaka, Matenzi, if you're calm, it's very easy to have my attention. So he's been a good guy. Bambereddewoko olw'era ebiseera ndowooza nali twali twakamala ndowooza 10 years eyo, era nga ku ssente ezo nga ngambye beta kunsobola okukolako photoshoot afazaali ne tutaayo video kale oba nenzigulawo YouTube channel oluyimba ne lubeerayo. Quite for me, I knew I had good music naye nga sirina like the resources to make that music, naye ate kirabika kale sijja kulowooza nnyo kwamba mbadde ngenda akugamba kirabika oba nandiise ku TikTok naye ate ebintu bya social media nabyo sikola ki. See, like, I'm not a social media freak. Like I like, yeah, like I like private life so much. It didn't just yankwata speed nete kamuta. Yeah.
People badde nga nyumya n'abantu at least for the good of the people bajalo kapati kabibaawo ako ke wayimba akasooka.
Ekikulu nakerabira. Kayemba nantawulirira yazala bafumba ebigambo bye bamubulirira. Oba Kenzo yawandika kyawo naye nange nayimba. Osegera
tuli omwaka nga guggwako gwali guno nga guggwako wagenda embalala okuyimba and things happened in Mbarara because nga commotion mu industry netugamba no, this is not the Azawi we know.
Yeah.
Netugamba at least you had at least something to explain. Azawi gwe tumanyi ow'eddembe ali poole tumulaba ku stage agamba kabejjawo embalala olan.
I'm not going to say much. Nze ne muntu wa mirembe era ndowooza scandals zifunye nnimiridde ku stage wokka. Ebizibu byonna byenfunye nze mbifune lwakuba ndi ku stage, like for as long as mulimu n'ezimu ze mutamanyi nakumanya, but nga they were really big, like mess, like if at all I didn't have like a very good management and like people that loved me ebyaddala singa kyandyadda, but nze oba oyagala okunfunamu obuzibu toba nti ndi mukazi mutono nze nkyankalanya ku stage yingira stage yange yingira endongo yange kubanga that is my safe place, that is my happy place, that is my solace, that is my awe wange okitegeera era entalo zonna zenfunye stage era akitegedde nti Azawi ye bw'omukyankanya ku stage bino bye bikola ki bye bino ebituukawo okitegeera so everyone out there nga goleeta obuvuyo ku stage era ze by the way ebiseera ebisinga mba ngina okulinnya ku stage tugobawo abantu bonna nensigazaako DJ yekka maybe ne bakwata content wange ne bano nti abalabi simanyi bano baani newobanga oli wa security nga sikumanyi nga toli ku security yange get the fuck off my stage like I respect my job so much ti saagala kunkyankalanya nga ndi ku stage mbasaba bassebo ne bannyabo ndi mukazi wa ddembe saagala kufuna buzibu na muntu yenna bw'ondaba nga ku stage ndeka nnyimbe bw'oba olina obuzibu oyagala okuadressinga naye address it nga tuddize wansi ebyabaawo embalala byaggwa thank God but tonkyankanya nga ndi ku stage man don't do that yeah
twabalabanga muli mutuddeko wamu tudde mu katebe nga mulabika mu reconciling
gwe kyobamanya kyaggwa
temwava muluyimba
singira mwaluwulira but ebyo byaggwa sagana byogerako just nsaba abantu bw'olaba Azawi ku stage bambi tomukyankalanya
Azawi era awo nyini omuntu yandeetaaze like omukiriyalinge bulungi nti wadde yes biri byaggwa naye yandeetaaze okumanya nti gwe Reigi kumwe nani asooka okubanga atuuka ku kifo okubanga oba to be a first announced to be on stage.
The thing is sigana biyingiramu bino ebintu nnyo like yes kyaggwa yeah
today it's your birthday
yeah ndi wano ndi mukola
oli mukola owezese emyaka mekazaako
nze ndi mukazi mukulu banaye mukyemba mumanya siri mwana muto kuzeemu kona ntandise okugamba wow
wetyamuko naawe
like yeah nkuzeemuko but sikuze nnyo naye nkuzeemuko sijja kwogera myaka gyange mutandike obunnemesa babba bange ate bamanyi nti ndi kito
baba you have more than one
babba aspiring kubanga onaaliwo ayinza okwokya ng'ate oli mwamubuusa nti akaze kakulu ako kabi bale ndi kito yeah but I feel good, I feel grown, I feel blessed, I feel just okuba nali simanyi nti nja kutuuka ku myaka gino gye nnina nga nina bye nnina so kat just nebaza Katonda kutuwa obulamu n'ebirungi byonna emikisa gyampadde n'ebibimbi mwebaza byonna ebyonna nabyo mbimwebaza yebale kuba mbiyigiddemu now I am sweeter yeah lati bagamba you age like what
wine
fine wine so kati ategedde kubira Yesu mungalo
everyone is celebrable a plus one you bigirako celebrations
yeah
what are you celebrating
like I have a lot of things to celebrate but for me I celebrate every day era nze lwenfunamu ka space awo nga ngamba omwana ampeeyo ka Guinness nkola nywa stout nga mpaayo stout nga mukanywanga nga mukama webale I'm a very private person nga bwe nabagambye sinza genda okukera ku makyanji wewo photoshoot yefaananyi kakaaga ya birthday no but I celebrated my subtle ways spending anani ku sente zange ntonotono nenzisaamu singa kyembadde nti munkuumidde wano singa ndi Kuala Lumpur nyumira bulamu okitegeera naye munkwatidde wano singa ndikoba Maldives naye ma nina okubonaabona n'endongo.
nga tumaliriza nakati kakubadde nalina okukubuuza ng'omwaka gugwako buli omu ng'akola ya enda one of the bwe bali babala abantu abakoze ennyo waliwo president omwe yakubala mu bantu batalabye nti mukoze endongo wagiraba that gundi nagamba takkiriza nti guno omwaka okoze alaba hard work yo yonna gye wali okoze.
There's some truth to that kubanga 2023 sata nnyo ndongo until October. Was it October when ata album ya Sankofa, right? Tuli kumpi mala Peter until October when ata Sankofa the album. So like there was some truth to it, and of course I needed time kuba nali nabakuba from lockdown until that time. So like I needed some time, like to recoup, to re-energize, to reflect, and I'm back. 2024 I have an EP, and then after an EP I might also drop another after the deluxe I might drop an EP, and maybe after an EP I might also drop like an album, a mini album. So like because I've been already writing music, so this time I think you're going to even years. Even years are always my years. But you can divide it by 2. So so this time around we are back in the game. Comment here like Siji Wakanya, because I also knew it. So and it's okay, like sometimes simply I said tunabawanga about
abana bamukiwunyo obalabako abana abakuza
ndwawo balaba, but abasinga bana benakula nabo kati bavaayo, like everyone is ayiya bulamu bajjayo family zaabwe eyo kati like waliyo generation ndala gye sitamanyi saawa zino eya Gen Z yeriyo